Hi there, Casey Cole. I Cole Pascal Law here in Fort Worth, Texas. I just came from court and I think everyone should hear this story. So the client was on a second-degree felony drug charge. He did have a gun with him at the time, actually had several guns with him at the time he got arrested for his drug charge. He's on felony probation and he's on deferred adjudication probation, and he's facing 2 to 20 years if he violates the terms of that probation. He decides to go on a hog hunt, which is pretty popular here in Texas. So he goes, he's got multiple guns. Again, he goes on a hog hunt, and at 2 or 3 a.m., he's out in a small county where he gets pulled over for an expired registration. They find multiple guns in his car, and he explains he's on a hog hunt or just finished one. So they arrest him because they figure out he's either on bond or probation and shouldn't be having those guns, right? So I heard about it and I thought, wow, that's stupid, but I don't think that deserves to put you in prison for it. The prosecutor didn't see it that way. Prison time was offered. Finally, an offer was made to me through a prosecutor to have him do some what are called labor detail. It kind of looks like community service here, and 30 days and extend the probation. Well, that was not approved by the court probation officer or the judge. So when we show up today to amend his probation, the court is like, no, that's not going to happen. The judge said, if I had heard these facts, I would send him to prison. So he goes, but I know the prosecutor has made this offer, but that's not what I would have done with this case. And when you're on probation, you are under the judge's authority, not really under the state's authority. So anyway, it got worked out, but he ended up getting 10 years in prison, probated for 10 years, and now he's a convicted felon for going on a hog hunt. So the lesson to be learned here for all the viewers is that if you're on bond, if you're on probation, or if you're a convicted felon, stay away from guns, all of them. Stay away from them. Don't possess them. Don't let your friends possess them in your car. Don't let a spouse possess it in your car. It will get you to the pen. Again, I really thought hog hunt seems stupid. He doesn't have those guns in his car. He's not doing a drive-by. He's not a gang member. He's a taxpayer. He's got a discharge, an honorable discharge. So it all goes back to when they have terms of probation, follow every term of the probation. Because if you don't, and you get caught, and you get a judge who's really upset about it, you will go to the pen. I mean, I feel like I kind of got lucky today because we didn't do the True Bud hearing, and he at least was listening to me about this guy being employed and supporting his family and taking care of business. Just made a big mistake in going hog hunting with multiple guns in the car. So again, if you're ever placed on probation or on bond, follow every rule, because what may seem stupid to you or I may not seem stupid to the judge. Thank you.